Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're asking one big question. Is Bitcoin really becoming as good as gold? Right now Bitcoin's price sits around $121,000 while gold trades near $4,008 per ounce, both hitting strong highs in 2025. Even more interesting, they've started moving in the same direction again. This new connection between Bitcoin and gold has traders and investors wondering, is Bitcoin finally living up to its title of digital gold? Let's break it down in very simple words. As of October 10, 2025, Bitcoin is trading around $121,392 after touching a high of $121,921 earlier today. While it's slightly down by 0.26%, it's still holding near record levels. Traders say if Bitcoin crosses $122,000 to $123,000, it could continue its climb to new highs. At the same time, gold has jumped to around $4,008 per ounce, rising almost 0.9% today. Gold's rally usually signals that investors are nervous about inflation or uncertain markets, and they're moving money into safer assets. Now, both gold and Bitcoin are moving up together. That's called a correlation when two assets follow a similar trend. It suggests that more investors may be treating Bitcoin like a store of value similar to gold. When gold rises, it's often because investors want safety during uncertain times. If Bitcoin is now rising for the same reason, it shows that people are beginning to trust Bitcoin as a safe haven, not just a risky bet. More large institutions and hedge funds are starting to invest in Bitcoin alongside gold. This means traditional hard asset investors are finally seeing Bitcoin as part of their long-term portfolio. Bitcoin has been called digital gold for years. Now with prices moving in sync, that story is looking more real. People may start viewing Bitcoin as a modern alternative to gold, faster, borderless, and digital. Remember, this connection can also work the other way. If gold prices fall sharply, Bitcoin might also follow. And if something shakes the crypto market, it could quickly break this link. So while the comparison is exciting, Bitcoin still carries more risk. Let's look at what's happening under the surface, things like liquidity and trader behavior that move Bitcoin's price day to day. On trading platforms, buyers and sellers place their orders at certain price points. There's a lot of trading activity around $120,000 to $122,000, which keeps prices balanced. If Bitcoin breaks through that range, it could pull in new buyers and push higher. Many crypto traders use leverage, which is borrowing money to trade bigger positions. When prices move fast, their trades can be forced to close automatically, known as liquidations. These can cause sharp price jumps or drops in a short time. Sometimes big traders push prices past the level to trigger these liquidations, then quickly reverse direction. That's why Bitcoin often sees sudden ups and downs even when it's trending upwards overall. So while Bitcoin looks strong, we should still expect fast moves and pullbacks before any long-term rally continues. Bitcoin is now sitting near a major test zone between between $121,000 and $123,000. If it breaks and stays above that range, it could signal the start of another big rally, possibly towards $130,000 or beyond, especially if gold keeps rising. But if Bitcoin fails to hold this level, it might fall back towards $118,000, where a lot of buying support is waiting. That could trigger short-term selling before another bounce higher. In short, Bitcoin's next move will likely depend on gold's strength, inflation data, and investor confidence in both assets. So, is Bitcoin as good as gold? In many ways, it's starting to look that way. Both are seen as stores of value in uncertain times, and both are performing strongly in 2025. But there's one key difference: stability. Gold is steady and slow-moving. Bitcoin is fast and volatile. That means more opportunity, but also more risk. If the correlation continues, Bitcoin could strengthen its image as digital gold, a modern version of a centuries-old safe haven. Whether it's as good as gold depends on what kind of investor you are. If you want stability, gold is still the king. If you want growth and excitement, Bitcoin may be your golden ticket. So this is all from my side for today. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you do, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more financial insights. Thanks for watching.